Hello everyone, I'm Tim from timspc and I build custom PCs to suit anyone's needs or budget. Also live stream my builds and repairs for transparency and educational purposes. So if you'd like to get an awesome new PC and you'd like to see it get put together live, send me a message today. Tonight we got an RTX 3080 build. So alrighty, now I've actually messaged the customer. We can get started with tonight's build. So we've got a Ryzen 5600X, we've got an MSI Mag B550M Mortar Wi-Fi motherboard, we've got some thermal tape cable extenders there, they're blue and black. We've got an RTX 3080, this is a gigabyte gaming OC I believe. Got 32 gigabytes of Corsair memory, got a 1 terabyte SSD, 850 watt power supply there, a 360mm all-in-one liquid cooler from Corsair, and we're going to be putting it in an Antec D700 flux case.
Wow!
So pretty simple build, no stuffing around with this one. This is a nice looking board. Christine was looking at this one earlier and she's like, oh, that's a nice looking board, and I was like, yeah, micro RTX, but it's got a lot of silver on it. So it's really good if you wanted to use it in a white build or something. So I'll point out the main features. 8 pins of CPU power, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fan headers, 6 SATA ports, horizontally orientated USB 3. We've got USB-C there. We've got 2 RGB headers, 2 USB 2s, PCIe X16, we've got an X4 slot down the bottom there, and 2 X1s. Around the back there you got Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, 2.5 gigabit LAN, you got a USB Type-C port there, and a total of 6 USB ports on the back there. That's probably the thing that's lightest on is USB ports at the back. So Ryzen 5600X, even though it's a Ryzen 5, it's perfectly fine to pair with an RTX 3080. That's not going to give you any dramas. Obviously this is AM4 socket on this motherboard, so we've got the CPU with the pins on the bottom of the CPU there. So we've got our memory here, so memory's always important. We've got our SSD, M2 NVMe SSD. Okay, so cooler time. So our board's all prepped and ready to go. So we just got these blue and black sleeved cable extenders here. So now let's turn our attention to the case.
Hello there.
Get all that sorted. Haha! So I would say nothing wrong with our riser cables, no issues at all. I'll do a proper stress test on it when I actually get the right power supply and it's all hooked up and it's all closed off and stuff like that. So thanks everyone for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video.